How to log in by Facebook in TradingView. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in through Facebook. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this menu icon. Tap on this menu icon. Here on the top, you'll be able to see this sign in button. Tap on sign in. Now here you can see the options like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Yahoo and Apple. So tap on this Facebook icon. Now you must enter your Facebook ID and password here. So you must even have your Facebook connected with the application. Now here on the bottom you can see this continue button. Tap on continue. So it will directly redirect your Facebook account and link it with this application. So if you again tap on this menu button, you can see I have been logged in. So my profile has popped up. So this is how you log in through Facebook. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.